Any individual system has order of magnitude 1,000 variables in it. A large company will have order of magnitude 1,000 applications, generally about 100 major ones. The math cannot work. And the only people that know the meanings of these variables are business people who have neither the time nor the inclination to be in the conversation. In the last 2 decades, consumer technology has improved just immeasurably. We can do searches in milliseconds. We can get in touch with people we haven't seen in decades. We can listen to music anywhere. And in the meantime, enterprise technology seems to get worse every year. Expenses are sky high, applications take forever to build, and good, clean data is harder to get than it was in 1990. You know, the enterprise CTO's job has always been difficult. It's now getting impossible. We keep adding functionality to legacy systems that weren't built to handle it, and the underlying data gets messier all the time. Now, why is this? There are many reasons, but the biggest one, in my view, is that we've all been taught that we should buy best-of-breed systems and stitch them together. I've seen this approach tried many times. I've never seen it work for anyone. And it certainly won't work. It can't work as we enter the big data era. We need a new approach in enterprise technology. You see, unfortunately, business people focus on their narrow business process, and it is now easier than ever to deliver a single business process.
In today's world, security and reliability are a must. Compliance is mandatory. Yet these are almost impossible to achieve in the best-of-breed footprint. You see, there are just too many entry points. Too many components can fail. The decentralized architecture of the desktop era had many benefits, but it was hard to control. The data was hard to govern. Processes were hard to manage, and access was hard to regulate.
What would happen if everybody could create their own words? Could there be such a thing as a private language? And the answer is no, you cannot. And basically what we would say is every application is in effect a private language.
In my over 20 years working on Wall Street, I've seen hundreds of different systems. Some of them were quite good. But I've never seen a company pull its data together effectively across all its systems. You end up with one system for each asset class, one for each country, and sometimes one for each manager or team, as the company tries to pull this information together in one place to provide better insight and stronger governance. This isn't an effective technology strategy. Companies need a better solution.
The power of technology is even greater than I thought when I graduated college. However, the likelihood of achieving any of those technical dreams in a company with existing technology is exactly zero. Well, if best of breed is not the answer, what's the alternative? A few years ago, we set out to design a data governance model that would really let us get control of messy legacy data, that could handle all processes end to end, and really importantly, that we could host in a cloud infrastructure as opposed to the desktop environment of the last couple of decades, that would give enterprises a gradual migration path out of their legacy systems into this new era, and that could be done at a fraction of the cost of traditional alternatives. Mezocliq is the result of that journey.